This week I'm going to show you some ways to use tofu since it is a staple in a vegan diet. For this recipe I'm making tofu and veggie skewers, perfect for a barbecue or just to enjoy at home on your own over the stove. Start by chopping up veggies of your choice. I have here a green bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, and an onion. Then grab your tofu and cut it up in bite-sized pieces. Place your tofu on some parchment paper and drizzle with some sunflower oil while seasoning with turmeric, salt, black, and cayenne pepper. Then grab your skewer and start lining up your veggies with the tofu. I like to do patterns to make sure each tofu bite has a tomato, some onion, and bell pepper. Once they are ready, pop them into the oven for 35 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After your skewers have cooked, let them cool and serve. Enjoy this perfect summer meal and thanks for watching.